What is this, Mom? Open it. Open it.
All right. We'll go ahead and get started. So today we're reviewing Sophie Hannah's semi-permanent hair dye. I got the color Purple Haze, but she did release two other shades, Bubblegum Pink and Peach Punch. As soon as you open the box, the first thing you see is these cute little stickers, and then the product itself comes in this cute little milk carton looking box. So you slide your bottle out of that box, and it's the slim basic white bottle with a holographic logo and this squeeze cap here. These bottles are biodegradable, so that's really nice as well. You get 250 milliliters or 8.45 ounces, and the price point on this is £14.50 or $19.67 for my American friends. You do have to pay shipping as well. To America, I paid $23 in shipping, so in total I paid $42.73. It only took 12 days to get here. Considering how far it came from, quite happy about that. It smells like a floral nair, like a very, very strong floral scent. Not a fan. The ingredients are vitamin B5, and that adds long-lasting moisture, prevents damage, and adds luster. Coconut oil for nourishing and protective benefits. Rice protein to add moisture strength and repair surface damage. And hydrolyzed quinoa to preserve the color. Taking a look at the consistency, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. Kind of like a lotion. You can see those red undertones in the dye itself. As I'm spreading it around on my hand, I noticed that it's more of a transparent base than it is a white base like most semi-permanent dyes are. So that was a little bit strange to me. So on the box it says, pour the Purple Haze into a bowl. Using a brush, mix until smooth. I've never seen a semi-permanent dye tell me to mix it. Apply to clean, dry, or towel-dried hair. It says leave on for 20 minutes or longer. The longer, the more vibrant it's gonna be. So what I've done is I've sectioned my hair into 3 parts. Part 1 is gonna be 20 minutes. Part 2 is gonna be 40 minutes. Part 3 is going to be an hour. Section your hair and then pick up the product with your brush and apply it to your hair. So we get all that applied. We're going to set 3 separate timers, and then we're going to go rinse this out with ice cold water, no shampoo, and air dry, not blow dry. If you're finding this video helpful, smash that like button down below like the mail carriers did my package. Now let's take a look at these results. First of all, how does my hair feel? Amazing. It feels wonderful. It's very, very shiny, very soft, very, very light. It still doesn't compete with Eczema No Color, but it is definitely a lot more healing than most semi-permanent hair dyes. The packaging definitely needs to be improved on. I wouldn't say so much this inside box, but the boxes they come in the mail, it was a pancake, and it was one good toss away from this being thrown somewhere. As far as this packaging, I really do like this idea of the biodegradable bottle and this squeeze cap. You get to squeeze everything out. However, you really have to shake to get every single drop out. So that's one thing I don't like. Maybe if you could make this flat so we could put it upside down and sit it like that, I think that would be much nicer. These are just my opinions. As far as the vibrancy, 20 minutes versus an hour. You can see there is a slight difference, but not too big of a difference. Since it is already a pastel shade, I would just leave it on for a full 60 minutes and get the most for your money. Personally, the smell is what's keeping me from buying it again. But if you guys do want to see me try out other shades of hers, I will definitely do that. I used about 3/4 of the bottle and my hair is about shoulder length. If you want to see how this hair color fades, stay tuned for next week's video. I will be testing out different ways as to how to wash it and how it fades in different ways. Remember to keep your heads up and have a great day.